Hey, it's AJ with Recon Recovery. You know, one of the most anticipated items, I would say, of the year is the new winch series coming out of Overland Vehicle Systems. We heard about it last November at the SEMA show, and about 48 hours ago, they finally landed. We jumped in the car, ran down to the OVS warehouse, got ourselves a 12,000 pound as well as a 10,000 pound synthetic winch, so we could do an open box video for you guys. I know I'm super excited about it. I'm sure you guys are as well. So let's go ahead and open up this box. So this is the SCAR winch, and what that stands for is Submersible Compact Amphibious Recovery. As we'll find out as we kind of open up this box here, where did my box cutters go? It has an IP68 rating, which means for those of you guys who like to do your river crossings, you're not gonna have to worry about water interfering, damaging this winch at all. So let's go ahead and take it out. All right, well, now that we got everything kind of laid out, we're gonna go over each item one by one. We'll start with the base. So the base is a cast aluminum heavy duty piece of machinery. This thing is beefy. 6.5 horsepower motor. It has a 500 amp, so it's a big amp solenoid in it. I mean, you can see from these wires over here as I was pulling out the control box, this thing is built really well. It has an 85-foot cable. It spools at 42 feet per minute. So it's a really quick moving winch. 2:18:1 ratio. It has a really nice free spool, really easy access. The handle is made out of 6061 aluminum. Just really nice ergonomic handle. Let's see here, what else? It has a nice black fine texture finish, and you kind of see that throughout the other accessories here. Dimensions wise, I have a couple notes here. 21.3 inches long, 6.3 inches wide, and 7.9 inches high. Drum size is 2.5 by 8.8 inches. It does have a 3-stage planetary gear system with the ring gear. As I mentioned, IP68 rated. Not have to worry about any of those river crossings, any of that water intruding and getting and damaging your winch. You can see the control box is removable. Makes it really nice for those of you who are doing a hidden winch system. If you want to mount that into the engine, under the hood, inside the engine bay, you're gonna be able to do that. And what makes it really nice, moving on to the wireless remote. So wireless remote, you do get 11.5 foot line. In case you run out of battery, you forget to charge it, you're not gonna be dead in the water. So 11.5 foot cable, but again, it has a lithium battery inside. It's gonna last quite a while. So, you know, charge it when you can, but you're not gonna have to worry about it dying anytime soon. Comes with a really nice spare lead, really nice low profile. Again, it has the same finish as you see here on the winch. It has a forged hook, really heavy duty actually. I mean, really impressed with it. Really nice hook, looks great, sitting right against that fair lead. Yeah, really nice quality stuff. Obviously, you get your hardware. It is the standard bolt, so 10 by 4.5 bolt pattern on the bottom. Gonna fit, you know, most, if not all, of your bumpers and winch mounts. This is a really cool item that they include. So this is a cable protector or rope protector. So if you're winching around a tree, you're winching around something where you think that rope is gonna get frayed or damaged, they're going to give this to you where you can wrap it around. So it's a Velcro sleeve, goes right around the rope, and you're going to be able to protect that 3/8 inch line. It has a limited lifetime mechanical warranty. You're not going to have to worry about anything mechanical in it, and a 5-year warranty on the electrical. Comes in a 12,000 synthetic option as well as a 10,000 synthetic option. We also have a 12 and 10,000 steel rope or steel cable option as well. All 4 of these can be found on reconrecovery.com. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-359-9397. Thanks so much for checking this out. This thing's awesome. We're super excited to have it. And those of you who have pre-ordered it, they have shipped out. You may have gotten the tracking number already. If not, definitely by the end of today. and should receive it just in a couple days. So thanks so much for checking us out. See you later.